Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learner's Park. This is my second video. What I'm going to do is, I mentioned last time, I want you to start learning C programming. What I did, I just Googled the C programming on the YouTube, and this is the guy that I found out. It's called Caleb Curry. He's a very knowledgeable programmer. He made tons of videos about a different language. As you can see on the top of his YouTube page, so he knows Python, JavaScript, C, C#, C++, so on and so forth. But he does have a C programming language. It's very long. I'll scroll down here. C is called C programming tutorial. It has 101 videos. So I'll click into it so you can see the individual 100 videos. On the top one, it was consolidated. It put all the individual videos together into one. So whoever is interested in learning the C programming in one sit, probably just watch the first one. Don't have to go every individual one. But I would like to learn at my own pace. I probably watch a video once a day. Maybe I watch if I'm got busy with my work, I'll just watch a video at least a week. So that way, I don't think I'll get a job in as a programmer. So it's just my hobby. Alright. Today I already watched the first one. Is the introduction to C. So let me think about let me try to remember what I have learned. So what he mentioned was the machine, we could actually communicate to the machine without any other middle language, like a C language, maybe C++, Python. We could write machine code. What is a machine code? Machine code, as most people know, is just a binary code. The machine can only understand the binary, which is 0 and 1. With the help of the C back then, when the smart people invented the C programming, it just makes the programmer or human easy to instruct, just give the instruction to the machine what to do. And because we don't have to write all the instructions with only 0 and 1s. So it just makes the programming life very easy. Another thing he mentioned is the abstraction. So in computer science, there was a lot of things was being abstracted away. So when people are saying something is abstraction away, basically it is hidden from you. It's something that you don't have to worry about it. A good example he mentioned in the video is a car. So you don't have to understand all the parts inside of the vehicle for it to function. You don't have to understand very detailed how the engine was built or any other part. All you need to do is you know what button to press to start the car, and what gas was used for, and what is the wheel used for. That's it. You know how to drive without knowing all the tiny details about building the car. So that's the same concept applies to the computer. You don't have to know or understand how the CPU was built. As long as you have a general understanding of CPU or any other part that requires you that you need to know in order to write the program, but you don't have to understand very low level knowledge about a particular part, because majority of the times those things was already being taken care by some other people or some other code that you don't have to worry about it. So it just makes everything easy. What else he mentioned? Oh yes, he mentioned that after he's hoping that whoever has completed this series and not only understand how to program in C, but also have a fundamental knowledge of computer science. Yeah, that's everything I learned from this video, the first one, Introduction to C. Alright, we'll see if tomorrow I'll learn something else, like more interesting. Oh yes, by the way, the code that on the top of the screen, on the top of my head, that was a code I don't understand it yet, and he mentioned that we don't have to know it right now, but a couple videos later, and we will be able to understand every part of this code. Basically, this code does, it just print out hello world in terminal. Yep, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.